Hi, Susie Valentine, Realtor with Century 21. Please come join me in this beautiful house tour. Welcome to Bridle Ridge, located in Riverside, California, where luxury living meets modern elegance. Presenting a magnificent 4-bedroom, 3.5 bathroom house complete with a 3-car garage, an office, a loft, and a home theater. Today, we invite you to explore the epitome of sophistication as we step into Legacy Homes' model home, adorned with optional builder upgrades. This open floor plan 2-story sanctuary spans approximately 3,475 square feet, boasting lofty ceilings that elevate every corner of this exquisite home. Step into the heart of hospitality with the great room, where entertaining guests take center stage. Illuminate your dining experience with the dining area's sliding glass door, inviting abundant natural light to grace your gatherings. Gather around the center island's inviting breakfast bar, perfect for casual dining or quick bites to eat. Enhanced by pendant lighting above, this versatile space offers ample storage below, combining practicality with style in your culinary haven. Indulge in culinary delight within the kitchen's realm of beauty, boasting exquisite countertops and a charming backsplash, equipped with top-of-the-line stainless steel appliances, including an oven, microwave, cooktop stove, and dishwasher. Culinary mastery awaits you at every turn. Experience unparalleled convenience with the kitchen's walk-in pantry, offering smart and spacious storage solutions for all your culinary essentials. The single basin sink provides a picturesque view of the great room while you're doing dishes, and with a dishwasher beside it, ensuring effortless functionality in your kitchen. If you're thinking of selling your home in the Southern California region and would like me to represent you and be featured on this channel, please let me know. And if you want to see more videos like this, please subscribe and click the bell to be notified so you don't miss a thing. The expansive laundry room, complete with washer and dryer hookups, a convenient sink, and ample shelving and cabinets for organizing supplies, makes folding clothes a breeze. Additionally, a dedicated storage nook provides the perfect space for stowing away extra items, whether it's linens or additional kitchen supplies. Discover a dedicated desk area perfect for studying, managing bills, or organizing your favorite recipes with ease. If you have a friend who loves model house tours, please share this video with them. And if you want to search for new homes like this, I'll put a link in the description below. And if you're enjoying the video so far, please give it a like. It helps our channel and we really appreciate it. Elevating the home's allure is this truly distinctive home theater, an ideal setting for memorable movie nights and quality time with friends or family. What's more, the builder offers a unique alternative. Instead of the theater and 3rd garage, you can opt for a private casita complete with its own entrance, adding versatility and charm to your living space. Direct access to the 3-car garage is conveniently available. Unfortunately, it was locked and we couldn't showcase its features. Adorned with a stylish lighting fixture and a designated wall space perfect for mounting your TV, the great room offers both functionality and elegance. Positioned adjacent to the kitchen and dining area, it creates a seamless flow for entertaining and everyday living. Experience luxury and comfort in the owner's suite, situated conveniently on the first level. This exquisite retreat boasts several windows that flood the space with natural light, complemented by a ceiling fan with light for added ambiance. Adorned with plush carpeting, the suite offers picturesque views of both the side and backyard, providing a serene sanctuary to unwind and relax. Indulge in luxury within the ensuite primary bathroom, reminiscent of an oasis with its spacious layout and tranquil ambiance. Discover the convenience of a private water closet featuring a toilet, ensuring utmost privacy and comfort within this tranquil sanctuary. Within the primary suite lies a spacious walk-in closet, offering ample space to accommodate both winter and summer wardrobes with ease. The ensuite primary bathroom is adorned with recessed lighting, cabinets boasting a vanity, and dual sinks for added convenience and elegance. Relax and unwind in the luxurious bathtub, or rejuvenate in the separate shower, offering both luxury and functionality for your bathing experience. The owner's suite is spacious and exquisite, offering ample room and unparalleled beauty for ultimate relaxation. If you have a friend who loves model house tours, please share this video with them. And if you want to search for new homes like this, I'll put a link in the description below. And if you're enjoying the video so far, please give it a like. It helps our channel and we really appreciate it. Now let's view the rest of this beautiful home. In the hallway, you'll discover a convenient coat closet with extra storage space, providing practicality and organization for your everyday essentials. The home office offers generous space and versatility, serving as a potential game room, craft room, or whatever your heart desires. Additionally, the builder provides the option to transform it into a fifth bedroom, complete with a full bathroom beside it, catering to your evolving needs and preferences. A powder room is conveniently located in the hallway, featuring a sink and toilet for the utmost convenience and comfort of your guests. If you're considering selling your home in the Southern California region and wish to be represented and featured on this channel, please don't hesitate to reach out. And for more captivating videos like this, be sure to subscribe and click the bell icon for instant notifications, ensuring you never miss out on any exciting updates. Step into the backyard, where a plethora of opportunities for pleasure and enjoyment await, enabling you to fully embrace the splendor of Southern California's beautiful weather. Whether it's tending to a garden, diving into a good book, or simply basking in the warm sun, this space is perfect for indulging in moments of relaxation and rejuvenation. Isn't this home simply beautiful? And with its expansive size, there's even more to discover. Let's continue our journey and explore the upstairs area together. Upstairs, you'll find a dedicated study area, providing a quiet and conducive space for work or study endeavors. The second bedroom features windows that welcome natural light, a ceiling light for added illumination, and a spacious walk-in closet, all complemented by plush carpeting underfoot. The third bedroom boasts a window for natural light, a ceiling light fixture, plush carpeting, and a convenient walk-in closet, ensuring comfort and functionality for all its occupants. Additionally, the third bedroom offers the convenience of an ensuite private bathroom, complete with a sink, cabinets for storage, a toilet, and a shower in the bathtub, providing utmost comfort and privacy. The fourth bedroom boasts windows for ample natural light, plush carpeting, and a spacious walk-in closet, ensuring a cozy and welcoming atmosphere. Discover the guest bathroom, complete with cabinets, dual sinks, a mirror, a toilet, and a shower within the bathtub, providing convenience and comfort for your visitors. This home is equipped with both heating and air conditioning systems, ensuring optimal comfort throughout the year. Explore this expansive loft adorned with numerous windows, offering abundant natural light and versatility. Whether it's unwinding, studying, enjoying game nights, or hosting slumber parties, this spacious area provides the perfect setting for a variety of activities. Additionally, this home incorporates environmentally friendly features, including dual pane, energy-efficient Louis glass windows and patio doors, water-conserving plumbing fixtures, a tankless water heater, and recessed LED lighting, promoting sustainability and energy efficiency. The community is governed by a homeowners association and enjoys proximity to shopping amenities and major freeways, offering both convenience and accessibility for residents.
Wasn't that home beautiful? If you enjoyed this video, you'll definitely like these two as well. And if you're in the Southern California area thinking about selling your home or buying one, either new or pre-owned, please give me a call, Susie Valentine, 951-907-4020. Thank you for watching. Please consider subscribing, and I'll see you in the next video.